Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the container stable and accessible. Remove the cap if present, then pry the outer ring just enough to see the retaining clip. You need grip but not force. Once done, slide a small flat screwdriver under the seam to lift the ring slightly, and make sure to keep the bottle upright so liquid does not leak. This initial access prevents damage. It lets you see the ball seat and prepares you to release the retaining part safely. You now focus on the retainer that holds the ball. There is usually a plastic clip or circular rim. Gently depress the tabs inward with a thin tool while supporting the ball from below. This reduces tension and prevents the ball from popping out violently. Once a tab is moved, work your way around, releasing each point a little at a time, and make sure to catch any escaping fluid. If the ball seems stuck, pause and recheck tabs rather than forcing it. You finish by removing the ball carefully with tweezers or by suction, keeping it level so fluid doesn't spill. Inspect the ball and seat for cracks or hardened residue. Damaged parts need replacement versus cleaning. Clean the ball and housing in warm water with mild soap, rinse thoroughly, and let dry before reassembly. When reassembling, align the ball in its seat, then press the retainer evenly until it snaps. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.